Today, we have continued this tradition. We applaud institutions who lead in promoting internationalization and elevate their global reputation. Your commitment deserves our utmost commendation. All of you are truly icons of Philippine higher education. I ask everyone to strive to nurture this momentum and bolster our collective effort to take global standing of Philippine higher education to newer and higher heights.